Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and flip or rotate your video right there in your Capcut app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Capcut app. Once your app is open, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this new project and choose a video from your mobile phone. For example, if it's this one, tap on this add option over here, add. And once you're done adding your video, what you're gonna do is, you will simply tap on the video and you will swipe down through the menus below and tap on this edit option given below. Tap on that option and now you get the three options right there. If you want to flip your video left to right, right to left, tap on this mirror option. It will flip your video automatically. You can see now it's flipped. If you want the other way around, you can again tap on it. If it's not the case, if you want to rotate your video, you can tap on this first option given as rotate. Tap on that one. This will rotate your video and you can set your video as your liking. So yes guys, and this is how you can do it. Once you're done, tap on this option over here. It will export your file. You can tap on done, you can download, you can share as you would like to. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.